Hi, I'm Adam with Ecom International, a company with more than 30 years of experience in the two-way radio industry. And we offer Kenwood dealer marketing tools at 100% Co-op. I often get questions about the most effective ways for Kenwood two-way radio dealers to use their co-op dollars to increase sales. Well, the answer depends on what you want to achieve. For example, if you want to prospect for new customers, then we can recommend local and regional advertising, telemarketing, and direct marketing campaigns that take advantage of our highly targeted and up-to-date prospect lists. These are not just any lists. More specifically, they include public safety, business and industrial prospects that are tailored to your sales area. We will evaluate your website to make sure that you are getting traffic when potential customers are searching for two-way radios. And we have other ideas to drive sales, including customized sales training, social media outreach, email templates, new collateral, and even sophisticated direct mailers. If you are competing with a two-way radio dealer offering Motorola, ICOM, or another two-way radio brand in your market, you want to load your NextEdge system or make sure your existing customers know the advantages of Kenwood radios, we can help you succeed. We know the market, the products, and your competition. With all of this expertise available at 100% Co-op, we make it all very easy.